Your brain doesn't change because you hope it will. It changes when it sees evidence. And if you don't show it proof, it's just going to default back to your old story. But today, we're going to make the proof undeniable. All right, this is day 20 of our 21 days to rewire your brain for happiness. Today, we're doing something powerful. We're integrating the evidence of who you've become. So let's talk about why evidence changes your brain. Your brain is designed to protect consistency. It builds your identity by collecting proof and then saying, "This is who I am." If you don't consciously gather new evidence, your brain keeps referring to the past, not because it's true, but because it's familiar. So that's why people can change their behavior, but still feel like the same person. The brain hasn't been shown receipts, but today, we give it those receipts. So let's talk about why evidence is the bridge between change and identity. Every pause that you took instead of reacting, every boundary that you held, every moment you regulated instead of spiraling, those weren't accidents. They were new neural decisions. And today, we're going to stack them. When your brain sees repeated evidence of a new pattern, it updates the identity file. This is how "I'm trying" actually becomes "this is just who I am now." All right, so today's practice, we're gonna collect, compare, and claim. So step one, we're gonna collect. I want you to write down 10 pieces of evidence from the last 19 days you've been with me that prove that you are changing. Not goals, not intentions, but actual proof. So some examples could be, I paused before responding. I didn't spiral like I normally would. I chose rest without guilt. I spoke to myself differently. If your brain says, well, that doesn't count, write it down anyways. The voice is the old program trying to survive. All right, so step two, we're gonna compare. Now look at who you were before day one. How did you react? What would old you have done in those same situations? Contrast is really powerful. It shows your brain movement. And then step three, we're gonna claim. So read your list of 10 out loud, every single one. And then I want you to say, this is evidence. I am not who I was. My brain is learning a new way. Speaking it out loud locks it into conscious and subconscious memory. So tonight's evening integration. Before bed, I want you to place your hand on your heart and say, I trust the evidence. Let your body feel that. Certainty is calming. Your nervous system relaxes when it knows the work is real. Now, change doesn't feel real until your brain believes it. And belief is built on evidence, not hope. You're not becoming someone new. You're remembering who you are without survival running the show. All right, so this was day 20 of our 21 days to rewire our brain for happiness. Tomorrow, we're gonna seal it all up. So I will see you on our last day on day 21.